Capri. The name itself conjures up images of sparkling turquoise waters, dramatic cliffs, and lush gardens. This island, a mere speck in the vast expanse of the Tyrrhenian Sea, holds a mythical aura. Legend has it that the sirens, those mythical creatures of the sea, once lured sailors to their doom with their enchanting songs. Today, Capri continues to enchant, but with its captivating beauty and timeless allure. Capri is often relegated to the realm of tourist traps, a quick stop for cruise ship crowds. But to dismiss Capri as just another tourist destination is to miss the island's true essence. Beyond the bustling piazzetta and the designer boutiques, lies a Capri waiting to be discovered. A Capri steeped in history, where ancient ruins whisper tales of emperors and artists. A Capri where local life unfolds at a leisurely pace, and the scent of lemon trees fills the air. The island of Capri, often seen through the lens of a tourist's camera, is a place where the surface barely scratches the depth of its true character. As cruise ships dock and tourists disembark, the initial impression is one of a bustling, crowded destination. The streets are filled with eager visitors, all vying for the perfect photo, the best gelato, and a piece of the Capri experience. However, if you take a moment to step away from the main thoroughfares, you'll find a different Capri. A Capri that is serene and tranquil, with hidden spots that offer a respite from the crowds. Quiet corners where you can hear the gentle rustle of leaves and the distant call of seabirds. This is the Capri that locals know and love, a place of peace and natural beauty. The bustling piazzetta, often referred to as the living room of the world, is a hub of activity. Here, people gather to see and be seen, to sip espresso and watch the world go by. The designer boutiques that line the streets are a testament to Capri's allure, drawing fashion enthusiasts from around the globe. Yet, this is just one facet of the island's charm. Venture beyond the well-trodden paths, and you'll discover a Capri that is rich in scenic beauty. Hidden paths lead to breathtaking vistas, where the azure sea meets the sky in a seamless horizon. Off-the-beaten-path locations offer a glimpse into the island's soul. Places where you can truly connect with nature and experience the tranquility that Capri has to offer. The history of Capri is etched into its very landscape. Ancient ruins stand as silent witnesses to the island's storied past. These historical sites tell tales of emperors who once walked these grounds, of artists who found inspiration in its beauty. The old buildings with their weathered facades speak of a time long gone but not forgotten. Among these ruins, the Villa Jovis stands out. Once the residence of the Roman Emperor Tiberius, it is a place where history comes alive. Walking through its ancient structures, you can almost hear the whispers of the past, the stories of power and intrigue that shaped the course of history. These landmarks are more than just remnants of a bygone era. They are a testament to the enduring legacy of Capri. Beyond the historical sites, Capri is a place where local life unfolds at a leisurely pace. The local markets are a vibrant tapestry of colors and sounds where vendors sell fresh produce and handmade goods. Traditional street life offers a glimpse into the daily rhythms of the island where time seems to slow down and the simple pleasures of life are savored. One of the most enchanting aspects of Capri is its lemon groves. The scent of lemon trees fills the air, a fragrant reminder of the island's agricultural heritage. These citrus trees with their bright yellow fruits are a symbol of Capri's natural abundance. Walking through these groves, you can feel a connection to the land and its history, a sense of timelessness that is uniquely Capri. Capri's beauty has captivated hearts for centuries. Roman emperors, seeking respite from the chaos of Rome, built their lavish villas on these shores. The ruins of Emperor Tiberius's villa, perched precariously on the cliffs, stand as a testament to Capri's enduring allure. Artists too have been drawn to Capri's magical light and dramatic landscapes. From the romantic painters to modern-day photographers, Capri continues to inspire and captivate. To truly experience Capri, one must venture beyond the well-trodden path. Lace up your walking shoes and embark on a journey of discovery. Hike along the winding coastal paths, where breathtaking vistas unfold at every turn. Explore hidden grottos, their waters shimmering with an ethereal glow. Discover secluded coves, where you can bask in the sun's warmth and the tranquility of the sea. Section 5. A Walk Through Time. The Charm of Anacapri. Journey to Anacapri. Capri's quieter, more traditional counterpart. Here, time seems to move at a slower pace. Stroll through the narrow cobblestone streets lined with quaint shops and family-run trattorias. Visit the Villa San Michele, the former home of Swedish physician Axel Munthe, and lose yourself in its serene gardens and breathtaking views. Section 6. The Unsung Hero, the Gardens of Augustus. While the Blue Grotto often steals the show, the island of Capri has another gem that deserves just as much attention. The Gardens of Augustus offer a more intimate and equally stunning experience. Perched on a cliff top, these gardens are a testament to the island's natural beauty and human craftsmanship. These meticulously manicured gardens offer panoramic views of the Faraglioni rock formations and the Bay of Marina Piccola. The Faraglioni, three towering rock formations, rise majestically from the sea, creating a dramatic backdrop that is perfect for photography and contemplation. Stroll through the gardens, breathe in the scent of blooming flowers, and let the beauty of Capri wash over you. The gardens are home to a variety of plant species, each adding its own splash of color and fragrance to the landscape. As you wander through the pathways, you'll find yourself surrounded by vibrant flowers, lush greenery, and the soothing sounds of nature. The Gardens of Augustus are not just a feast for the eyes, but also a sanctuary for the soul. The gardens also offer a glimpse into the island's history. Historical plaques and markers provide information about the origins of the gardens and the various plant species found here. It's a place where both adults and children can find joy and inspiration. Whether you're a nature lover, a history buff, or simply looking for a peaceful retreat, the Gardens of Augustus have something to offer everyone. As the day comes to an end, the gardens take on a magical quality. The setting sun casts a golden glow over the landscape, making it an ideal spot for a romantic evening or a moment of quiet reflection. Even as night falls, the Gardens of Augustus continue to enchant visitors with their illuminated pathways and serene atmosphere. It's a place where time seems to stand still, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the beauty and tranquility of Capri. Section 7. A Culinary Journey. Savoring Capri's authentic flavors. Capri, a gem in the Tyrrhenian Sea, is not just known for its stunning landscapes and azure waters, but also for its rich culinary heritage. The island's cuisine is a delightful blend of tradition and innovation, offering a feast for the senses. No trip to Capri is complete without indulging in its culinary delights. The island's restaurants and cafes are a testament to the Italian passion for food. From the bustling town square to the serene coastal eateries, every corner of Capri offers a unique dining experience. Escape the tourist traps and seek out family-run trattorias tucked away in quiet corners. These hidden gems are where you'll find the heart and soul of Capri's culinary scene. The warmth of the hosts, the rustic charm of the settings, and the authenticity of the dishes make for an unforgettable experience. Savor the simple yet flavorful dishes, made with fresh, locally sourced ingredients. The island's fertile soil and favorable climate ensure a bounty of fresh produce, which forms the backbone of its cuisine. From sun-ripened tomatoes to fragrant basil, every ingredient tells a story of the land and its people. Indulge in the island's signature dish, ravioli caprese, filled with creamy ricotta cheese and fresh herbs. This dish, with its delicate flavors and melt-in-the-mouth texture, is a true representation of Capri's culinary artistry. Each bite is a harmonious blend of tradition and creativity. And don't forget to sip on a refreshing limoncello, made with Capri's famous lemons. This zesty liqueur, with its bright and invigorating flavor, is the perfect way to end a meal. Whether enjoyed as a digestif or a refreshing afternoon drink, limoncello captures the essence of Capri in a glass. As the sun sets over the island, casting a golden glow over the coastline, there's no better way to end your day than with a meal at one of Capri's seaside restaurants. The sound of the waves, the gentle sea breeze, and the exquisite food create a magical dining experience that stays with you long after you've left the island. Section 8. Capri, a tapestry of beauty and culture. Capri is more than just a pretty face, it is an island woven from layers of history, culture, and natural beauty. It is a place where ancient myths intertwine with modern-day life, where breathtaking landscapes inspire the soul, and where the warmth of the local people welcomes you like family. Section 9. Share your Capri and let's keep exploring. So, dear traveler, I encourage you to delve deeper, to uncover the hidden gems that lie beneath the surface. Share your favorite Capri moments in the comments below. And let's continue to explore, to discover the hidden wonders that await us in every corner of this beautiful world.